Hi everyone, in this video we will unbox Samsung Galaxy Note 4 which was in refurbished condition. The Samsung Galaxy Note 4 was purchased from toogood.com. The condition was okay. Without wasting much time, let's unbox the package. Here's our package. You can see the MRP of the phone is 49,000, but we got for around 6,599 rupees. Let's unbox it. The smartphone is nicely packaged. Okay guys, here's our Samsung Galaxy Note 4. We have ordered a bronze gold color. However, there are other colors like frost white, charcoal black, etc. Now let's look what's inside the box. Here's a small card of Toogood. There's also a warranty card. The warranty of the smartphone is 6 months. There's a data cable and a charging adapter. The data cable's interface is micro USB. The charger is rated about 10 watts, which is normal for the smartphone. There's also a 3220 mAh battery inside the pack. Now let's unbox the smartphone itself. Okay guys, here's our Samsung Galaxy Note 4. There are some minor scratches. Let's insert the battery and power the device. The scratches are very less so that it isn't visible. Here's the boot logo of the Samsung Galaxy Note 4. They also included the S Pen, which we will test in the later part of this video. However, if you buy the new product, you will get so many tips for the S Pen. But if you buy the refurbished good condition or refurbished okay condition, you will not get extra tips for the S Pen. Okay guys, this smartphone is powered on. Now let's test the S Pen. You can see a slight flickering issue on the smartphone, but this is normal for all OLED screen smartphones. The S Pen is nicely detected. Let's write something on the screen. The S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy Note 4 can do up to 4 pressure levels. The flicker issue may give headache to some people. However, I didn't find an option in the settings to avoid this. This smartphone is running on Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow. However, due to wider community support, you can update to any new version such as Android 10. Okay guys, that's it for unboxing and overview. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe. Also share this video to your friends.